Why we use sticky bit in Linux? Sticky bit is a special kind of permission that can be used in Linux if an owner want to only rename or delete his file, and other users, even if they have a permission, cannot delete that file or directory. Then in that case we use the sticky bit. Let's see how we can apply the sticky bit here. It's a very simple. We will use chmod command and then specify the t option here, and then specify the directory name. Let's say over scripting IV. Before this, let's first check the permission of this directory. It's simply ls shell. Here we have read write execute only permission. To apply this sticky bit, it will change the behavior of that directory. Okay, chmod plus t and then the directory name. And now we will ls here. Now it's highlighting in a different way. To check the permission, ls minus l. And now it's specifying minus t that represent the it's a sticky bit. Sticky bit most common cases apply on /tmp directory or any shared directory among the users. Only owner can change or rename that directory, so the other users cannot modify that directory. Only use that. That's the simple implementation of the sticky bit in Linux.